Hello and welcome back. It's Marina here, and today we're gonna be making a one-sheet mini album. It's a perfect idea for craft fairs and definitely for happy mails. I love how vintage it is, and it has room for photos and for journaling as well. By the way, you can also find other one-sheet mini album tutorials up on the right where the I button is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. Here is a spot for journaling. I used for this project a sheet from the paper collection Music by Stamperia. I am now putting glue in this flap to make a pocket. I am using a distress ink to ink the edges and give a more vintage look. And the album is ready. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!